Hey, look at that. We're going. We're back. I got a blue chicken. I'm not really 100% sure what I'm supposed to be doing with him anymore. But I did want to go talk to this guy in this hut because I don't remember what this guy does. So we're going to do that today. And then maybe some other stuff. Who knows? Well, I pretty much stick to myself. The only thing that I don't like about my hobby is that I never... Oh, it's like papers or something he did. I can't remember. He writes letters. Give me my chicken. We're out of here. Rooster, whatever. Okay. So, last time I remember them telling me to go to the mountain. I went to the mountain. I could not figure... Oh no! How do I get out? He's got my shield. Just let me attack. Give me it back. Okay. We're good. We're good. That was not fun. The last time I remember we had to go to a mountain. But I don't think there's anything I can do up there. I went to the hen house. I feel like that was the clue where I was supposed to go, but I couldn't figure out what to do there, so I guess... So I'll head back there. Anything to dig here? Huh? Any shells? Probably already did this, didn't I? This seems like something I would have done. Can this be blown up? Nah, there's no way. It only looks like I might be able to. So I guess we'll play the song of my people. And fast travel back to try to find out where the key is for this area. Let's see. Go here. Warp. Yeah. Yeah, we'll warp there, and we'll figure this out. Like, I'm sure it's not as hard as I think it is. But it's probably still hard, because I'm going to make it that way. Do they even mind about... Oh, they do mind. I was like, have they stopped caring? There we go. Look, I'm strong. I'm strong, Wink. Okay. So up here, this leads me all the way to the skyfish. Okay, now we just gotta beat it. Let's take it out. Nope, okay. Let's get out of here. Just keep fly all the way off. Dang it. I don't need you anymore. Okay, you can keep following me. That's fine. That's cool. Okay. I feel like I've been through here 1,000 times. What? What? Oh. Oh, jeez. I'm not hitting the jump button. I've been playing other games. There we go. Let's just get that mapped as my brain. Look, jump right there. Okay, cool. Oh, actually, let's change this to that. Yeah, now I can destroy all these things in one hit. Nope, okay. I tried getting through it. Anything underneath that? Nope, okay, through that, boom. Did I have to go this way? I don't think so. I think this just leads to a chest. Right? No, wait, no, the other one leads to a chest. Okay, cool. Let's use our brain powers at like maybe like 100%. Let's do this. I think we can do it. If we all just think really hard and use all of our brain power. Oh, jeez. No, stop. I'm thinking too hard. Can't fight. Okay, stop thinking. Oh wait, there was a thing I wanted to. There was a stone. I think I just realized I have enough money for that at that village. Okay, well this led me nowhere. That was fun. That was cool. Joking on my spit a little. Okay, that's fun. Oh jeez, I'm out. Hope this chicken follows me around forever. If anything, he's here for moral support. This is my service chicken. He is allowed to be here, sir. So I can tell people when I bring them places. Okay, let's see. Nothing over here, nothing over there. Go over here, and we don't swim off, because then I'll be sad. Don't want that. No, we don't. Going in this hole and getting lost again. Okay. So I feel like I've been here, but I couldn't do a thing, right? Yes, because the head of the room looks a little odd to me when you first head here. This room has a shape that is very familiar in a way. It doesn't look right. I don't remember the pattern. Okay, see. So if I push this one over, this one down, there we go. Okay, that works. The pattern was a mushroom, by the way. I didn't need to come this way. There was nothing. Actually, I need that. There was nothing. Okay, then for up, we go 1, 2. There we go, see? I always hit the wrong one. I want to, like, charge forward, but I don't do it. Jump. Ow. Give me that. Yeah. How many fairies do I have? I got 2? Okay, cool. I'm probably going to need those, because I have not played this game yet again for a whole week. Surprise, surprise. You are near the eagle's tower. Beware of the bird. This bird? Like... I swear, if I cannot find this god dang key soon, I will go to Google for the 2nd time ever, which is kind of impressive for me. I feel maybe 3rd time if it had to be. I might have done a 2nd research, but I don't remember. And yes, I'm going to call it research. We go down. We're going down, down. Okay. Just go that way. Okay. Forgot I had this. Does this do anything to these guys? Oh, cool. I tried hitting one of them with that. Did not work. My chicken is stuck. Perfect. And go down here. I don't even know why I'm going back to the tower. I know there's nothing here I need. I forgot that the teleport took me right here. Oh, jeez. Oh, back. Nose was tickling. Fighting a sneeze. Yep, there's that mushroom shape again. Yeah, I don't see anything there. You die, you die. I need that. Okay. Now I can move the tower and open it. Oh. It shows a bird there. I have an idea. This will work. Trust me. I've learned... Nope. Okay. Because there's a bird there, but I don't... Did I do it? No? Okay. I think I'm lost. Come here, I need you. I'm just gonna miss that hole. Miss that hole. Okay, cool. There we go. Okay, never mind. I'm going down the hole. Oh wait, you hover over holes. Did not know that. Okay. Wait, can I pick you up in the water and go faster? Come here. Oh, we flying now. Out of my way. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You know what? I might just fast travel. Back to the city. Go talk to a telephone again. Figure out why I'm lost. I think that's right. I'm probably wrong. Yep, this is not right. I'm good at games, I swear. There we go. That's the one. Ugh. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. This time we're not gonna be lost. We're gonna go talk to this phone. It's gonna. I swear to God. Nope, wrong button. I could get. There we go. There we go. Where is it? Like, it has to be somewhere, right? Here. Right here. Oh, I hate you so much. Okay, we'll talk to this. We'll figure out where to go. Aurelia, whatever your name is. You're doing great. Your efforts will work. So, by the way, have you visited the hen house on the mountain? I've been there. There's a cave nearby with something. Okay. The hen house will lead me to a cave. I may have forgotten the cave part earlier. But that's okay. I'm back here to get some supplies. They really need to maintain this place more. I'm not mowing it every time we come back. Okay, that's ridiculous. Okay, how much was this? Sir, I need to waste my money on whatever this is. Okay, thank you. I bought a stone for a bunch of money. Okay. Okay, now I got 2 of them. Okay, cool. I think I'd rather have these. Oh, yeah, I just realized something. I have not been back to that claw game in so long. Oh, no. Is there something there I need? Or want? Because I hope not. Okay. I don't have 10. Sir, I will be right back. Please hold on to that shell. Do not let anyone else come get it. I'll just have to do a little mowing of the grass. Not all of it, though. No, I refuse. Really? I just need one more. Oh, there's 2 more. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you there. 1 extra. Have 1 try, 1 opportunity to mess this up. Here we go. Okay, so moving it up is X. Let's just verify that. Yep, okay. 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 Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh, did I do it? Am I the best at the crane now? I'm the best at the crane now. I'm the... I hate so... Oh. My screen went black there for a little bit. It's fine. Okay. It looked like it still kept recording. That's good. That's fine. That's why you're hitting my table. You know what? I do. But I don't have the money for it. It's right there. It's right there. I see it. I see it with my own eyes. My eye holes are looking. Boom, right there. I could jump up there and grab it before he even knew. Sir. Sir. What's that over there? Get, jump. I hate. And I bet you it's reset. I'm gonna try to get 10 more. I'm gonna go in there and it's gonna be reset, isn't it? Oh, I'm gonna be so angry. Oh, I know it. I know it. I'm fuming right now. One more. Okay. 2 attempts. Where is it? It's not where it was. I hate everything. Like, I don't even need this. I don't. Okay. Okay. It's gonna come forward. I'm gonna pinch it, pinch it, pinch it. Okay. Oh, please don't fall out. Please don't fall out. Please don't fall. Okay. You know what? That's not bad. I can pick that up. It's in a stationary spot. We got this. We got this. It's an easy 1-2 pickup. 1, 2. Please. Go. Oh, the pain. The pain. Oh, the pain. I hurt. Oh. Oh my god. You know what? I can't. I guess I'll just leave. I hate you. I hate you so much. If I get over this counter, I swear to God, I swear, beat you. Okay, here we go. I'm gone. I hate so much. Oh my goodness. It's fine. It's fine. We're going to the mountain, so yay. It's 17 minutes in. And I'm already just not happy. But you know, that's fine. I hope it's entertaining to watch me slowly turn insane from what this game does to me. It's never good. Some days, you know, I have like just a nice run, like, oh cool, nothing bad happened, I didn't even die. It's nuts. But then other days it's like, oh well, we're gonna make up for that. We can't just have like a nice time for you. No. This game will literally torture you. It'll make you want to just not exist anymore. And you know what? That's not cool. This game should be fun. Green slime, die. Oh god. Wait a second. What? No, you know what? No, never mind. It might be faster for me to teleport up to the bird area. I'm not 100%. Well, at least this way I can walk out my frustrations and take it out on a few of the small little animals on my way there. As you know, a good therapist would tell you to do. Ugh. Okay, so we bypassed that one. I don't remember exactly how to get to the hen house. I feel like... This ladder? I was gonna say, I think there's a ladder. Yeah, we're doing it, right? This is it? Okay, I think this is right. Okay. It told me there was a cave. Wait, is it that cave? Have I thought Oh. It probably was this cave, huh? I need you, chicken. Yep. Oh, can't go that way while holding you. Come here. Wow, would you look at that? That's crazy. I'm angry. Chicken, I need you again. Your powers are too strong for this world. Let's get a key. We did it! I'm angry because I know I did not go in this cave before. When I clearly should have. That's fine. We all make mistakes. Like me trying to play a crane game. Aggravation. Oh, you know what? Actually, I think I can just fly there now, huh? No, not fly, but... So, yeah. I'm a dumb. Water. And fly. Warp. I'm gonna take this guy out because I need to for my anger. Okay. That didn't take too long to get this far. I don't want that. It just takes up my time. Get it out of here. This place looks like a skull. Every time I come here, it reminds me of a skull. Don't know why. Just do. Dang it. Okay. Okay. I was going to attack my chicken there for a second. We did it. Here we go. Last key. Is it going to turn the tower? I knew it was going to turn the tower. I am so smart. I'm so smart. I feel like we could just like went around to get in there, like just climb up the ledge. But game mechanics were like, no, you can't do that. That'd be ridiculous. So do I gotta take this chicken with me? Is it gonna be necessary? So... Okay. So, just... Do I ever get new... Oh, hibiscus. I forgot I could give that to the lady. And I still got my secret medicine, so that's cool. Oh, why? Well, it looks like I've lost my chicken. For the time being. No, you don't. No, you don't. I'm going up. Ah, see, I was smart this time. Zombies. Okay. Nope. Nope. You're not gonna get me. Oh, just leave me alone. Hey, look, a key. Nice. Oh, just leave me alone. Nope, that's not what I wanted. I just... Cancel. That warps me to the entrant? Oh my goodness. That can actually be very helpful to me. Die. Yay. Nope. Okay, so that's just a big circle. Got it. Open this. Yeah, not so big now when you're over there, huh? Mm-hmm. Oh, wait. Let's use our big brains here for a second. Let's see if we can. Let's see if... Let's turn on the angle. Look. Oh, I had it there. No, turn. See how you like that? Turn that way. Okay. Now we're gonna... Oh, that failed. Nope. Don't think I can get it over there. Okay. So I need to pull that back. But what's this? Okay, I probably need to take this with me to the next room. So put you over there. Don't have anything for that yet. Okay. Okay, this is easy. Easy. Baby games. It's all just baby games. I need that. Let me through, let me through. Oh, okay. Okay, how do I not blow this up? Like, come on. That's definitely, I have to blow that up, right? It's gonna fall right over. Okay, I was wrong. Okay, sorry. Just gonna bypass that and act like it never happened. Strongest weapon in the game. Does it do anything to him? No? Okay. Come over here. Yeah. I don't even need you, but I'll pick you up. Okay. Oh. Nope, nope. Get over here. Can I push that? Nope, I can't. Okay. You go for a second. Okay. There you go. And this one. I don't believe you. What? Okay. Okay. Something happened, but I don't understand why the one way I had it didn't work. Yay, the map. Okay. Now let's see how small this place is. Probably puny. Probably a little tiny. Okay, good. Thank goodness. Okay. Oh, what? There's multiple. It's a tower. I forgot it was a tower. Oh no. Level 7. Why does it say level 7? I don't like that. Oh. No. Mm-mm. Nope. Oh man, as much as I want to throw that ball over there. Wait, can I? Anything over here? Stop it. Hmm. Okay, looks like I can go over there. Wait. What? Am I a genius? Okay, I'm gonna hurt myself. Okay, I'm gonna hurt myself again. Did I do a smart? Like, was I a smarty pants? Or did I do a dumb? Ow, leave me alone. That's been an easier way to kill those things. Coming through. Okay. I'm gonna be stuck in this place for like 3 days, maybe. What? You can now turn back beams? That's just on always now? Okay. I feel like the smart thing to do here is also the dumb thing to do here. Will this destroy? Come. I hate you. Nope. Okay. Nope. Okay. A lot of bad's about to happen. Oh, come on. I thought that should have worked in the first place. Okay. Decisions. I'll go this way. Okay, they pushed me away. Okay, come. This one. Yeah, see, I've learned. I remember this. I remember this. You're gonna stop right there. Oh, I hate you. You tricked me. You tricked me so hardcore. Just be green. Oh, come on. I would have had it. I would have had it. Green. Come on, be green. I hate. Green. Just be green. Yes. Why is it all the way over there? It doesn't help me. Okay, cool. Nope, don't want to be in this room. This is a bad room. Is there another room? Okay. I guess I can leave if I need to. But I guess I'll... Oh. Oh, wait, I reflect beams. Well, that sucks. Oh, okay, this is awesome. How many does it take to kill him? One more, please? Okay, thank you. Otherwise, that would have been extremely annoying. Oh, I'm all the way back to the beginning. This is gonna take forever. Ow, forever. Okay. So, to get to out where I was, I gotta do a lot of stuff. Ow. Oh boy. This is gonna be quite the adventure, huh? It's coming through. Excuse me. Why didn't I think of doing that before? So, what did that do? I don't know. Am I destroying this tower slowly but surely? Wait a second. No, okay. I was one of those triangles in the wall meant anything. Leave me alone. I need that. Thank you. Okay, so I couldn't go anywhere this way. So then I came back this way, and I was gonna do something dumb, like do this. But I need the ball still. So I gotta throw the ball over. This is gonna be awful, huh? Like, this is straight doo-doo. Okay. Okay, we remember this. Okay. Okay, and then I just gotta jump. Grab it. Okay. And we just throw it over. Make the jump again. Yep, it's fine. See? We're doing this the correct way, and we're not doing it wrong. No one can say otherwise. And if you guys do, well, you're just being meanies. Okay, that's not the right way to go. Okay. Hey, look, that makes things easier, huh? I might not have had to... I might not have had to throw the ball how I did. That's fine. That's cool. I'm such an idiot. I'm so stupid. Green. 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 Be green. Be green. I thought he was gonna be green. Be yellow. Wait. Red. Yeah, I saw that gonna happen. Be green. Ow. I hate this. I hate these things. Like, I hate when they're together. Okay. Okay, now you be green. Thank you. And it's gonna give me the beak. Or the compass, dang it. I just know there's that bird back in that room. I'm probably going to need to know to do something. Oh, I can't take the ball with me? Can I throw it in there? No. Okay, so... Did I come from this way? Yes. So I go down... I'm going to leave the ball here. Hopefully it stays. I'm going to do this. No? Maybe I throw the ball over here? I'm so smart. Okay, the ball's over there. And I gotta use this to get over there, I bet. Honestly, I don't even care if I get everything here. I just want to be free. What's down here? Can I get that? No. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now there's Kirby? Want to be my friend? Kirby, we're friends. Ow, ow, he's kicking me. This is Smash Bros now. What? Get me out of here. Get over here. You're eating a bomb. I hate you. Kirby, I hate you. Kirby, I hate you. I'm coming for you, Kirby. Kirby, you're dead. You're dead, Kirby. You're dead, Kirby. Like, what the heck was that? I don't even know. This game is so crazy with this weird... Nope, nope, yep, only have one arrow left now, that's cool. Oh, dang it. Like, the enemies, I don't understand why they're all, like, characters from things that I don't... Wait a sec. How is there a hit? Okay, that's a shell, I guess. Okay, cool. So I can go down. I can open. Oh, I can't open this chest because you can't open from the back, can you? Nope. So I bet you. Okay. Can't do anything over here, so my betcha was wrong. Unless it has something to do with these, but I don't think it is. So, okay. So I'm guessing we go up from here, and then we'll get that ball again to break the other. Nope, nope. Okay, not yet. Oh, we're back here. That's fun. That's cool. Nope. Just let me live my life. How do I deflect? How do I deflect these at him? We got this. We got this. Ow! And then the bomb made me run right into a hole. That's fun. I'm happy. No, this is great. Look, because this is down now. I can go over here. I can go back up here. It's fine. I can fight him for days now. Let's go again. See, the trick is we hide right here. We can just deflect them all straight back. See, look at that. And then we do it again. I go back here. You can't even reach me. I just gotta wait for the right attack. That let's see if ow. Okay, hit me. Oh, dang it. No, no. Okay, will bombs work against him? I got you this. Take that. Okay. Okay, maybe now I have it. Okay, yeah, we'll just wait here. I think we got it. I think I can do this. It should be easy. Yeah. Hard battle. No. I'm just gonna stretch out. Oh, get a cool drink of water while I'm here. Ah, refreshing. Sweet, savory water. So easy. Oh, look at that. Not even an issue. Not even an issue. And I have full hearts too again. What a weak little baby boy. Okay, whoa, can I know I'm gonna fall in one of these holes, but I don't wanna. Okay, so the bird's over there. I don't think I can do anything with that right now, so. Oh, nope, you leave me alone. Let's see, this is the right way to go. Kind of. That floor is gonna attack me soon, I think. Okay. Ow. Ow. I assume it will be the last one to come out is the one I have to go down. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I almost fell off like 10 times. Okay, never mind. The ball. I'm still not sure what I'm doing. Okay, that did something, right? So I'm guessing... Push this off? Yeah. Take the ball with me. Grab the ball again. Go down. Hit that. I probably have to go back there. So actually, let's do that. Okay, we remember this trick. There we go. Nope. No, leave me alone. 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 Okay. Okay, I see the problem. Okay. We got this. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Made it. Oh, wait. Okay. There we go. And then hit that down. And then I can make it back across myself. Because I'm a big boy and I know what I'm doing. So the blue are up, so the red is down. Okay. Okay, it's simple. It's... I hate it here. I hate everything about this place. It's stupid. This game's dumb. So... Wait. Because last time I fell off right here, I was like, oh no, I fell. But it put me here. So then I walked into here. We'll leave that how that is for the moment. Nope. Was it this way? Nope, because I didn't see Kirby yet. I know that's wrong. So this might be right. Maybe. Seems not wrong. And I got the beak. Okay. Now this seems impossible. Just swing across my get. Oh my, it worked. It worked. I thought that was stupid. I thought I was being an idiot. Oh my god, I cannot believe that worked. I love when my genius just shines through. How do I get back? Oh no. Mistakes were made. Okay, let's just take out some enemies. Okay. Oh, and I killed that. Can I push any of these off and reveal a secret? Dun, 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 dun. Nope. Okay, cool. But there we go. That didn't take me where I needed to go, but what about up here? I'm getting out of the Kirby Dome. Don't want to be there. Oh, wow. Like, this is a puzzle. So I can go back over this way. Like, this is dumb, right? Like, this ain't a thing. Oh, okay. Stay over there. Stay over there. Thank you. Okay, you die. You die. Okay, so I guess... Ow. Yeah, what are you gonna do now? Nothing. Okay. Jump off the floor above to reach the chest on the table. Chest on the table. I don't know what that is. Chest on the table. I bet you're about to find it, huh? Nope. Ow. Whatever. I'm out. Did I already get the chest on the table? Is it important to get the chest on the table? I'm gonna get these hearts. Those are important because I'm gonna die if I don't get them. Okay. Oh, my brain. It's starting to hurt. Yep. Okay, so the only place for me to go is over there. Mommy, please move. Thank you. Okay. Wait a second. Nope, can't do anything with that. Thought I was brilliant for a second. Okay, so... Okay. Okay. I'm smarter than you. Ow! Okay, maybe not. Maybe not like fully. I just need to go this way. I just need to go this way. Nope, wait, no, I was wrong. I'm coming through, leave me alone. I wonder, can I? Yeah, okay. That was just because I was curious. There was no other reason for that. Okay, so now I need to go up. Okay. This is gonna tell me something stupid, isn't it? The riddle is solved when the pillars fall. That's a terrible riddle. Okay. Just trying to see how lazy I can be. Maybe I could pull it all the way back without even having to try. I'm out. Gone. Okay. Okay, you be dead. You be dead. So then, this way leads to that room with the 4. Yep, okay. Don't gotta worry about them. So I jump over here. Jump over here. Eat the hearts. Take that out. Jump over here. Wait, no, wait. Because then this will allow me to swap everything again. But I need to get over there. I know I've been there before. Okay, you know what? We'll test this. Because maybe I'm wrong with that little bit of information. Okay, so I can't go over that way. Oh. Ow, 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 leave me alone. I can't get up there. But wait, can I? Nope, not there. Is it this way? This is probably the wrong way, isn't it? Yep. Cool. Going back to Kirby's Thunderdome over there. That's gonna be fun. I hate Kirby. Let me out. Just be dead. Just be dead. Okay, looks like that ain't gonna work. Come for me, I dare you. Okay. I'll take that. I can get past you now. Bye. Bye-bye. Okay, so this leads me back to there, but I don't need to go there. I need to go up here. Actually, is this right? So I took out him here. This leaves me here. Nope, excuse me, leave me alone. Oh, I did it. I'm a genius. I just had it all set up wrong like an idiot. And then I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. I know I got over there before. Oh, okay. I see how I got there. Yep. Yep. So why does this matter? What? Okay, wait a second. Could I took the ball with me? Oh, I'm so confused. My brain is going to explode. Into little bite-sized pieces. Okay, I guess I did it wrong. Okay, hit that. That goes over there. Am I missing something? Let's push this down. All the blue are down, actually. So if I go up here, go through here. This leads me here. Ah, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. And that's red. So we'll leave that red for a second. So now go this way. It's back here. Whatever. This will lead me to the blue room, right? Yep, and everything's down. There's a hole here. I'm gonna trust the hole. I trusted it, and I'm happy with that. Okay. Pick this up now, and it gives me a key. Keys are good. We like keys. And I can just jump right... Oh, nope, okay. Okay. Put anything down this way? Yeah, there's a path this way. Okay. It's pretty close to the beginning again. Let's check out the map. I have one more to get over there. So, and I'm on... Oh, okay. So maybe it's one of the holes over here. Oh, I haven't made it to the third floor yet. Oh, it's going to get so much more confusing. Oh, jeez. Okay. So I'll go to the giant's room and try to get to one of these two holes. Seems reasonable. Easy also. If I remember how to get there. Actually, I think it's easier from the beginning, isn't it? I think this is right. I'm probably wrong. Ow. Because you go here and yeah, okay, cool. Woo, okay. So then this leads up. And I go down to where the giant is. And I feel like it's going to be one of these holes. This one, because it has to be closer. It can't be behind it. Okay, cool. Who knows where the other one would have sent me. And we're running. We're running over here. Now this is just going to be a shell, isn't it? Yep. But I got it. Okay, cool. Okay, so I have another key. God, I hate Kirby. I don't want to go down there. Okay. So let's figure out where this last key I have goes. To go up, I feel. There's like one more. Okay, well, probably not here. I wish there was like an indicator or something. I mean, it's not like this game is hard or anything. It's so easy. It's a baby's game. Oh, there's one more right there. Oh, there's a pillar right there. How do I get to that pillar? How do I get to that pillar? How do I get to that pillar? Okay, ball. I need your help. You gotta fly like an eagle. Thank you. We got this. Okay, so I can only go up from here. You leave me alone. Okay, so I have to hit that. Oh, I haven't been up there. Wait. Dang it. Bomb it is. Okay, cool. Guess I haven't been up here. Because I do not remember any of these enemies. There we go. I need that mask. Thank you. Oh, a heart. I didn't see it. It was on the orange. Actually, there's hearts here, so I guess it doesn't. Yeah, fly away, scaredy cat. If this leads to like a hole just to make me fall and be angry. Hey, Runt. You think you can take me? No? Alright, boys. Get this punk out of my face. Uh-oh. 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 I'm just gonna block all those. That seems like the reasonable thing to do. Ha, you're gonna have to do better than that, obviously. If you leave even one alive, I can keep bringing more buddies to help. Okay. Is this the plan? Okay. Okay, I see the plan. This is the plan. They can't hit me. They can't hit me. They can't get me. I saw one fly away, and that aggravated me a little. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You lousy so-and-so. Those creeps were some of my best friends. I'm sorry. You'll pay. You'll never. I'll never forget you. But I will forget you. Well, okay. I think that was the ending. I think we'll stop there for now. I think that leaves me at a good spot. I just beat a boss. Yeah, and I get to finish a little bit early. How kind of the game to do so to that. I'm having a stroke. How kind of the game to do so for me. Okay, that's a sentence. We'll go with it. Yeah. As always, interact this video somehow. I don't care. Like it, don't like it. Comment on it. Tell me that I'm terrible at the game. That's fun. I don't know. Just have fun. How about that? Have a good day. Sleep tight. And remember to wash your hands after eating outside. I don't know. Okay. Bye.